Hello, my name is Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus. This is a part 2 of Norma's potatoes. This is the finished product. The buzzer just went off on the oven, and let's see what they look like. Here are the potatoes and onions. Let's open those up a little more. Well, they look pretty perfect. Oh, you can just take the potato, peel it away from the bottom. You see that? See how the potato, the bottom of that potato has been soaking in that butter and it's crispy and chewy. That is the best part of this potato. Anyway, I've got to have a bite. That is so good. See the onions? Soft. Awesome. Let's see how the carrots turned out. They are perfect. Look at the bottom. Dark brown, a little bit crunchy. Gotta have one. Perfect. They're sweet. See the bottom of that carrot there? How dark brown it is. Butter soaked into it. That is so good. Well, I have a ribeye that it's pulled off the grill. It's ready to go. So I'm going to have me some Norma's potatoes and the carrots done a similar way, and ribeye steak. Anyway, that's it. Easy to make. Hour and 15 minutes in the oven at 425, and that's what you end up with. And just try it sometime. You'll thank me. Anyway, I'm Mike with MikesCarpentryPlus, and if you have a cat or a dog, please get them spayed and or neutered. And if you want to pick up a cat or a dog, please go to your local animal shelter and rescue one. They really would appreciate it. I've got other videos for remodeling and a bunch of other stuff, backhoe work, chainsaw stuff, wood splitter stuff. Check them out if you want to. And that's all from here, except the potatoes, or I call them Norma's potatoes. She's my mom. Hi, Mom. Love you. Love you too, Dad. And this is for friends and family. And I guess that's it. You guys have a great day. Bye.